Thank you bafowethu. Lana sibona ipresenter la kuZamalek TV ligqoke iskipa seMamelodi Sundowns ukubonisa ukuthi bafeva iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ishaye ama-rivals wabo i-Al Ahly yabo. So la eSouth Africa isikhathi esiningi kuthiwa asisupporteni iSundowns ngoba iyo dlalela istar idlalela iCAF Champions League, but at the end of the day this is just a game. Ukuwinana ney'ta ukuwinana nama-cup is just a game. So i-rival yakho vele awuyifiseli okuhle yabo. As much as Mamelodi Sundowns yenza kahle kakhulu for i-team, but for me just ngi-neutral in terms of like i-fan nanokuthi I'm not a football fanatic ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi angilali i-team yami engadliwe yabo. But-ke sisitope lento lokudecide abantu ukuthi basupport iMamelodi Sundowns ngenkani, because mawuye estadium uyabona ukuthi ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns like mawuye ePitori boMaloftus uthi uyayisupport iSundowns ku-Champions League ukuthi batrithana kabi kanjani yabo. Uzozama ukubhalansa inamba wena estadium ukuthi kugcwale stadium uzigqokele iskipa sejezi skipa se-team yakho, but-ke baku-attack-ele ukuthi ugqoke leso skipa leso ufunani ngoba i-team yakho ayikho. But kuma-social platforms they say abantu bazothi yasupporteni i-team because of yase-South Africa. Lana asibonisa lena e-Egypt ukuthi i-rival yakho ayifiseli okuhle cause ungayisupport ekugcineni ne miqeda ukuwina i-attack-a nina laba bantu, the very same people laba benisiza nisupporta niye stadium nigale main power leyo. So enemy lakho awulisupport noma kuthiwa seliseduze kangakanani, mawunembazo nje ulishanga imbazo ekhanda ukuthi lingaphumeleli yabo. So but at the end of the day njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it's just a beautiful game. I think as ama-fans wonke umuntu une-right yokureacta liwa-reacta ngakhona ukuchoose ukuthi usupport abani. iMamelodi Sundowns yodlala i-final against iPyramid-ke. If abantu badecide ukusupport iMamelodi Sundowns on the day it's okay individually, so bayazidecidela phela abadala abantu yabo bayazicabangela. But laba abadecide ukuthi ngeke bayisupport iMamelodi Sundowns bafuna ukuthi iPyramid iwine, nabo bane-right futhi ukuthi bafise ukuthi izinto zihambe ngaleyo ndlela cause abayisupport iMamelodi Sundowns nanokuthi phela yimpi iMamelodi Sundowns nalama-team lawa. Bayohleka wonke lama-team lawa bawatshela ukuthi yithi number 1 team, yithi esiney'ta eziwu-2 izinto ezinjalo. But-ke mina njengoba iMamelodi Sundowns ngingayifevi kanje yo-final i-Champions League ngifisela yonke inhlanhla emhlabeni ukuthi ibuye naso i-star ses-2, but ngiyazi ukuthi after iMamelodi Sundowns uwina i-star hayi siyozwa madoda. But-ke ngibafisela inhlanhla going forward nanokuthi-ke le star sesibili babuye naso.